Good morning, friends. We are very happy that the 11th bipartite settlement was approved by the Government of India on 18/12/2020. The new salary will be disbursed to the bank employees by this month. The main issues of the 11th bipartite settlement was signed on 11/11/2020, and the supplementary minutes on certain issues was signed on 10/12/2020. Now, the bipartite settlement is okayed by the government, and the due salary and arrears will be disbursed. On observing the supplementary issues regarding pension updation, the answer to the question is updation involves additional funding, additional cost. The details of pension fund are being collected. On the basis of the details, the working, the actuarial working will be done. Okay. Then another point regarding the revision of pension to the pre-1986 retirees. They are given only rupees 350 plus DA as pension. The survival of the survival spouse of the so-called retirees are receiving only rupees 175 per month plus DA. For this, in the minutes, it is stated that IBA is very much symptomatic to this issue and assured to take the issue to the government for their final decision. Dear respectable leaders, we are not surprised in seeing this in the news because it is merely a formality for completion of the agreement and get it signed. Then only the government will approve it. So it is a useful routine, just a formality. Okay. It is just like a student of 11th standard who is writing his examination. Some questions are asked according to him from the out of syllabus, out of purview. Then, even though he knows the correct answer, he won't write it because he won't waste his time. He will be awarded the full marks for that question when he put the question number in the answer sheet for getting the full marks. It is a routine. For the same question, when he attended his 10th standard examination, he put the same answer. Sure, when it will be asked in the 12th standard, then also he will put the same answer. It is usual term. The pension updation and the revision of the pension for the ex gratia pensioners, those who retired pre-1986. The matters are out of purview according to you. So there is no wonder. When we are coming to see the joint letter signed by the workmen union leaders jointly after completion of the bipartite settlement, they stated that the residual issues will be discussed on regular intervals and will be settled before the commencement of the next bipartite settlement. Please note that. What can a pensioner who is waiting for more than 3 decades for the obtain of his pension, how can we see this statement? Can you realize? How can we take this statement? We are very much disappointed. Once again, the leaders proved that they are not at all useful for pensioners. They are not taking care of the pensioners. Then, even a layman, if he is in their position, will do and will grab the situation, the favorable situation prevailing after the promise made by the Honorable Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. You have missed the mess. It is a great opportunity for you. The correct answer to the in the minute for the pension updation would be, it will be done as per the promise made by the Finance Minister. But it is not in the minutes. You promised that it will be settled before the next bipartite settlement. We request all the parties concerned is that the demand of updation is by the senior citizens, the demand of senior citizens, the demand of super senior citizens. They are in their last lap of their life. They are very much needed, the pension updation for the survivor. Please keep it in mind and take steps and expedite the pension updation. Please update the pension before they are getting outdated. Please update the pension before they are getting outdated from the earth. What is the working culture prevailing in the begging when we are in service? When a report is requested by the controlling authority, all the branches under his control is giving top priority to the request and send the report at the earliest. When the CGM asked for your data, what will be the response? All the branches in the circuit will do it on top priority and submit the report in time. And what will be the request from the chairman of the bank? The entire bank, the entire State Bank of India, or the concerned bank is given the topmost priority to the data demanded by the chairman and submit it in time. As such, please imagine what will be the response when the ultimate authority for the financial sector, not only banking sector, financial sector, the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, asked the banks to sort out the things, to sort out the issues of bank employees, their pension, their family pension, and the anomalies, and it asked to settle the anomalies prevailing in the pensions. What will be the response? More than 50 days have been elapsed after her pronouncements. What is the response? What is going on? What are the developments? Now, we are appealing to the Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable Finance Minister. Please fix a timeline for the bank pension updation. And please update the developments regarding the pension updation at regular intervals and its developments towards the pension updation. Please, dear friends, we have to send. What will be our next action? We have to send email to the concerned authorities. Yeah, one line email. Please fix a time frame for pension updation. Thank you, friends. Hoping for the best. நல்லது நடக்கும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.